Welcome to Tween and Teen Cooking to Go. This is Miss Ann. We have an awesome summer planned for Tween and Teen Cooking. This summer's cooking theme is inspired by YouTube. All the recipes were inspired by videos that I watched, and there's some really good ones. You'll be able to find the link at the end of this video. So the recipe that we are making today is pancake muffins. So you will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, 3/4 cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of salted butter melted, plus an additional tablespoon of butter to grease the pan. A small bowl, a large bowl, a whisk, an oven, muffin pan, some toothpicks, non-stick spray or muffin liners, optional mix-ins, bananas, chocolate chips, blueberries, raspberries, and or nuts. So I chose bananas, blueberries, and chocolate chips. So I'll have 3 varieties. So preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. So I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So go ahead and use a whisk to mix them together. They should be all mixed up. So in a separate bowl, a smaller bowl, you want to go ahead and add all your wet ingredients. It's very important to have clean hands. Make sure you wash your hands. And especially after you handle an egg, because you're going to get egg on your hands. So you want to make sure you wash them. So I'm going to use a smaller whisk. Go ahead and beat the egg. So you want to add your wet ingredients. So this is the tablespoon of melted butter. Go ahead and mix that up. Looks like that. We need 3/4 cup of milk. There's 1/4, 2 1/4, and there's 3/4 cup of milk. And a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. Give it some good flavor. Go ahead and whisk that together. That's what it looks like. So we're going to pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, stirring just until combined. If the batter's too thick, you add just a little bit more milk gradually. And we're going to use the larger whisk. I'm going to show you the sizes. This is more heavy duty, but this is like silicone. So, and this is just metal. So we are going to go ahead and gradually add just a little bit at a time. You don't want to dump it all in at one time. And I'm making a mess because that's what Miss Ann does. This might be too big. We might need to use the metal one. It's really thick. Here we go. Go ahead and put the rest of your wet mixture in the bowl. And mix it up really well. Okay, that's what it looks like. It looks good to me. Look at that. So I peeled my banana, put it in a bowl, and I'm starting to mash it, and I'm just using the back of a spoon to mash it up because you want to make it mush, really mushy, very soft. And you want to make sure it's a ripe banana too. You don't want a green banana because you would not be able to do this. You want a ripe banana because it looks like that. What I'm going to do with this, I'm going to add some of the pancake batter to it because I want it, I want the pancake batter mixed up in the blueberries rather than put a tablespoon of pancake batter and then some banana and then more pancake batter on top. I don't want to do that. I want to mix it up like you do banana bread. Looks like that. Looks really good. So we're going to set this aside for a minute. I'm going to go ahead and add a tablespoon to 4 of the cupcake liners. And then I'll show you why, and I'm making a mess too. That. So make sure that you rinse off, you wash your blueberries. So I'm going to take 2 of the cupcake liners that has some pancake batter in it, and I'm going to add blueberries. Actually, I'm just adding 4. So it looks like that. I'm going to add another tablespoon of pancake batter, because you want these to be 2/3 of the way full. I'm actually going to add a little bit more. Looks good. I'm going to add a few more blueberries right to the top. Push them in a little bit. Make sure you have clean hands when you're doing this. How about 1 more in this one? Looks like that. We're going to do the same with the chocolate chips. Looks like that so far. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside. I'm gonna stir my bananas with the pancake mix. Oh, it smells good. And I meant to bring some chopped up walnuts to add, and I forgot all about it. Okay. Okay, so I cleaned up the top of my muffin pan. So now I am going to put these in the oven, bake them for 14 to 15 minutes until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. So be very careful because the oven is hot. It's 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And while they're baking is the time that I wash my dishes. Okay, we are gonna let them get happy in the oven. I just took them out of the oven, and the blueberry and the chocolate chip, I kind of overfilled them, but look how they kind of look like a volcano or a mountain. They look pretty cool. So you gotta use oven mitts or hot pads because they are still hot. So you wanna insert your toothpick in the middle, and the batter should not be sticking, just like that. So we're gonna check the other chocolate one. Perfect, they're done. It took about 19 minutes with this oyster oven to bake them. They smell delicious. Okay, my pancake muffins are all done. They look so pretty and they smell so good. But you could have easily got like 8 to 10 pancake muffins because I put too much batter in my cupcake liner, so it looked like that. So you don't need that much. I have a funny shaped banana one that I'm gonna try. See what it tastes like. It's still just a little bit warm. Let's take the top off. Oh my gosh, look at that. It looks delicious. It is super moist and it tastes like pancake batter. Tastes like banana pancake batter. And I give this video a thumbs up. So stay tuned for next week's summer video. Next week it's going to be 3 ingredient cookies. And it's a YouTube inspired recipe. Thanks for watching.